This video is for all HVAC service call. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So here on the homepage, you want to make sure you have a more than 1500 words because Google loves content. Also with the correct keywords and the pictures saved in the right way. For example, let's check this. If we see this save image as, we see it was better if here you have like the keywords, so it's gonna help you out also. The second thing what I want to talk about is the citation. So if you come here, you can see Google Guaranteed. We can see normal ads like we used to see, but now in 2020s, a lot of people have ad blockers. So some people see, some of them not. And then we come here and we can see map pack. So what is a citation? Is it essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web? It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you just don't want to just stop whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation, and the last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You see Yelp and expertise, all of these home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had send you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about the ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of these my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. So it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it's giving me an idea of what's looking well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 62 referring domains. That gives you more than 1000 backlinks, and you are getting found for 344 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 217 organic traffic. Just want to show you one of your competitors here. They have more than 716 referring domains. It just gives them more than 3000 backlinks, and which is getting them found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this, and it's pretty much it's what I wanted to say to keep it short. I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, will be amazing. Thanks again and have a great day.